Hello and welcome to another update video about BNB. So BNB is following nicely our projection. At least Bitcoins and Ether's flush have caused that BNB chart to sell off as well, which we wanted and have been waiting for a while, actually for many weeks. We've been waiting here for another low on the BNB chart. So that goes according to script. Looking at the micro structures, I'm looking at this wave 5 as a 5-wave move. One more low seems likely. Before we get to that one more low in a wave 5, we should get a wave 4 recovery. Okay, so there's still a bit more way to go. And I have no strong evidence that the wave 4 has already started. I mean, it looks like if you look at the third wave, itself, it is very much possible that this here was another small 1, 2, 3 of 3. This is now the 4 of 3, and we go down a little lower still. And if we do and break below the Friday low, then support is at 208. And we will then be able to identify resistance. Resistance at the moment, based on the current chart, for a wave 4 is $230. So if price breaks above that 50% retracement level, it indicates a low could already be in. There would be the first good evidence that a low is already in, a break above 230, because a wave 4 would normally not retrace more than the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. It's always possible that we are dealing here with a larger diagonal structure and it finishes just with 3 waves, but at the moment I have reasons to believe that we're getting 5 waves down. And as I said, 208, 185 are support. 185 is the June low. Below that level, next support would be around 150. So it can, of course, drop lower. We just need to look for those lows if they occur or not. At the moment, I have no evidence that the low is in. And we are also below the descending trend line. So should really continue to trend down lower. Sometimes pullbacks to trend lines can also be a short opportunity, of course. But yeah, generally the market is pretty much sold off, and I would not be surprised to get a bit of a rally generally across the altcoin market in the next week or so. If I'm on the 4-day chart here now as well, you can see that BNB is even on the 4-day chart oversold on the RSI. The daily is way oversold. Yeah, so there are various oversold readings and also a bullish divergence currently on the daily time frame as well. So basically that's the reason why I'm tracking, well, still lower at the moment because the trend still shows down and we were below resistance and the price action is corrective. That's why we waited for another low. But of course, at some point we then start to look for turnaround signals. But I feel it's a bit too early for that at this stage. Yeah, that's my update about BNB. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.